I'm using the soy wax, I'm using cocoa butter, yummy, and I'm using coconut oil, and then this is almond oil. Take this wax and you're going to reduce it down to a liquid by popping it in the microwave for 15 seconds and then stirring it and then popping it back in, back and forth, back and forth. So I'm going to add 4 ounces here to this larger bowl and we're going to pop it in the microwave. Okay, look at that. It's finally liquid. That's good. Now what you'll find, all microwaves are different. If you have a high wattage microwave, it's going to cook faster. Okay, now what I'm doing is I'm adding the cocoa butter here, and in addition to that I'm going to add that 6 ounces of the coconut oil. I'm going to blend this together, these chunks, and then we'll pop it back in. Okay, now it's time to add just a little, well, flavor. And I'm going to use some lavender because I love lavender. I'm going to put about 6 drops. That was 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm just going to take and dip this solution out and pour it into these little tins. From the garden home, I'm Alan Smith.